Hello, and welcome to this quick overview of the Shapiro Library's databases. In this video, we will go over what a database is and how it can help you in your research. And we will walk through how to find a database on the library's A to Z database list. A library database is an organized collection of digital resources that can be accessed through the library's website. These databases are designed to help users find reliable and authoritative information on a variety of research topics. Databases contain all sorts of different resources, such as ebooks, articles from scholarly journals, magazines and newspapers, reference materials, images, videos, tutorials, and more. Some databases cover only one subject and carry only one type of content, but many are multidisciplinary or contain multiple types of content. The library's A to Z database list can help you find the databases that best fit your research needs. On the Shapiro Library homepage, you will find the A to Z database list under the Quick Links box on the left side, as well as under the Find Resources tab in the top navigation bar. Either link will take you to the full list of our databases in alphabetical order. You can scroll through the list, use the alphabet links across the top to jump to a specific section, or use the search tool to search for a specific database, such as Opposing Viewpoints or JSTOR. Please note that this search box will only do a keyword search for the database names and descriptions. It will not find you resources that are contained within those databases. The A to Z database list is organized so that you can easily find databases by subject, by resource type, and by vendor using the drop-down menus at the top of the list. The All Subjects drop-down menu allows you to pick the subject or discipline that most closely matches your research topic or field of study. Keep in mind that your topic may span several disciplines. For example, let's say you are researching workplace communication styles. This could fit nicely in the business subject area as well as the communications subject, so explore both. The databases we recommend for each subject area are listed first in the Best Bets box. You may see overlap between different subjects as many databases contain content to support multiple disciplines. The All Database Types drop-down menu is next. Here you can narrow the A to Z database list down to only databases that include a particular type of resource, such as includes primary sources, or includes video and/or images. And finally, the All Vendors Providers drop-down lets you see only the databases from a particular vendor, such as EBSCO or ProQuest. Please note that this drop-down only includes our most commonly accessed vendors. You can use more than one drop-down menu at a time to get a more precisely filtered list of databases. For example, let's say you wanted to see videos on your topic of workplace communication styles. You can choose Business from the All Subjects drop-down and Includes Video and/or Images from the All Database Types drop-down to see a short list of 4 databases to get you started. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or if you would like help finding the best databases to use for your current research project, please reach out to the Shapiro Library team.